morning everyone. Myself Prajakta Zambude. I am of class 9.
And myself Sandeepa Pandey from 9th.
We are the students of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Ghot, Gadchiroli. So, under the Jigyasa competition, we have constructed a science model on the topic rainwater harvesting. So, the main theme of our topic was water resources. Under that, we have constructed on the topic rainwater harvesting. So, first, what is water resources? Water resources are natural resources of water from which we get water supply. On our earth, the 97% of the water is salty water and the remaining 3% is fresh water. Out of that, 2/3 is frozen in the form of ice caps and glaciers. So the remaining fresh water is in the form of groundwater, rivers and lakes. So nowadays, what is happening? There is very much water scarcity due to many reasons such as deforestation, industrial uses and agricultural uses and many more. So there is a problem of water uses. So we have to find a method by which we can conserve water and use it effectively. So rainwater harvesting is that method. By rainwater harvesting we can conserve water and use it for our later purpose. So rainwater harvesting is a simple process in which we conserve water by collecting it, storing it and filtering it and use it later. So there are many types of rainwater harvesting such as rooftop rainwater harvesting, surface runoff rainwater harvesting, etc. So our model is on one of the topics such as rooftop rainwater harvesting. So I am going to explain our model now. So this is our model. In this we have set up a rooftop tank on the roof, and after that there is a filter tank, and also there is a tank in the water gets stored for the use, and in that we have situated a water pump. So when the rain comes, here we have constructed the artificial rain by just pouring the water in the tank. So the rainwater gets collected in the rooftop tank, and after that it goes down in the filter tank, as you can see here. In that the water gets filtered for our use, and when the tank is filled, the water comes down in the water pump tank. It is coming.
Go.
So our water has come into the water pump tank, and in that we have situated the water pump. Because of that the water is coming now. We have on the switch, and here we can use the water like this. We can use it for our various purposes like watering the plants in our garden. As you can see here, we are watering the trees. So we can also use this water for many other purposes such as car washing and our day-to-day activities. So if we hadn't constructed this rainwater harvesting, we hadn't constructed this model, so the rainwater will just float down and it would get wasted. But because of this model, we conserve the water and we are using it for our day-to-day life purposes. So this is the use of this model. It is a very good method of water conserving and using it for our later purposes. So all of us should do this. It is a very simple and not that much costly method. So this was all in our model. Thank you.